events on this rainy day. Today we are presenting Fast and Furious series. It's Dodge Charger. We are Hot Wheels collector with over 1,000 Hot Wheels. Each day new events, new streams, new videos. Join us. As you can see, this is Fast and Furious series from 2020. Do you collect Fast and Furious? Do you collect Hot Wheels? Which Hot Wheels would you like to see next? Please make comments down below. Amazing, great, black painting, silver rims, very nice details. Toys and Games channel. Each day new streams, new events. Join us. Please like, share and subscribe for more. See you in next video. Bye!